Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to explain you to creating bulk computers in your Active Directory. One of my subscriber who just requested to create a PowerShell script video for creating multiple computers in your Active Directory. So let's start. So I'm going to show you my Active Directory users and computers snap-in. Here you can see there are the few organizational units or OUs are created and some of the built-in directories are also available. So we just want to create the computer in my default locations, that is computers directory. So there is a difference between directory and organizational unit. So you can see the icon over here. So this is a OU, whereas this is a directory. So we just want to create the computers inside the computers directory, that is the default location. So what I will do, either you can create the computers by right click over here and you can click on the computer. So suppose you want to create the computers in your default directory, so you need to go on the computer properties and then go on the properties over here and see this is the distinguished name over here. This is computers. So this is the CN name of the computer, whereas if you go on the OU structure and go on the properties and go on the attribute editor, so this is the OU. So we just want to create the computers inside a computers directory. So what we will do, you can create using right click and new, and then you will click on the computer and here you can specify the computer name. That's it. So this computer will get created. But suppose if you want to create more than 500 computers, so this is very difficult. So you will use a PowerShell script. This PowerShell script will call the CSV file where the computer name will be mentioned. So I'm going to open the PowerShell script first and PowerShell ISC, and here I will open the PowerShell script that I just created and click on the bulk computer creation. This is the PowerShell script that I just given the name, and here you can see, so this is the first and foremost command, that is import -module Active Directory. So this import module is just calling the Active Directory in this PowerShell script, and then CSV path. So this is a variable where I am specifying the location of the CSV file, and this is a CSV file. I'm going to show you this PS, and this is the CSV file name and the content. So these all are the computers that we just want to create inside the computers directory. So now this must be saved in a CSV format, and so this is the path, and then this is the target OU. So in this target OU I'm specifying CN equal to computers. If you just want to create computers in OU like IT or some other location, so you need to specify over here OU. If you will specify suppose OU, so this will not create the computers because this PowerShell script will not able to find the computers OU, because computers is not an OU, it's a directory. And then you need to just change it CN, and this is the location of my domain, and next this is import the CSV file. So this variable is just calling the CSV path by using this import -CSV command. Now it's validating the CSV file which is containing the data over here, and if CSV file is empty, so this will give the message like yellow, please verify the content. Like suppose if you have just created a CSV file without content, without the computer name, so this will give the message in the yellow and it will say that please verify the content. And similarly now we will use a for each loop. So this for each loop will just call the computer. This will count the computers from the computers variable into the computer. Now computer name, so this is one of the another variable. In this variable I'm just calling this $computer name and streaming, and then in case if this is empty computer name, so this will again give the message in the yellow format. Next, this will just use a command that is new AD computer. This is Active Directory command that will help us to create the computer in the specified path using the computer name variable value. And then this will give inside the green color if the computer will get created successfully, and if this will not created successfully, so this will give inside the red format. Suppose I'm going to specify over here like OU, and then try this command. Because computers is a like a directory, not an organizational unit, that's why this has just given an error over here. But if you will use this cn, so this will give the output over here successfully. These all 5 computers have been created successfully, so need to verify over here. So these are the computers. Suppose you want to create the computer in organizational unit, so you need to specify some other organizational unit path, and then you will specify the OU over here. So this is the difference between directory and organizational unit in your Active Directory. If you want to create the computer, so inside the computers OU, a computers directory, so you will use the cn. If you want to create in any other OU, so you need to specify the OU over here. So if you want to use this PowerShell script, so you can use my blog website, that is infoelias.com. I'm going to show you. So this is like how to create bulk computers over here. So I just given the complete like how to create the CSV path, CSV file, as well as the PowerShell script that will help you to creating the computers in your computer directory. Thank you for watching this video.